decided to load up the car because I work an overnight shift from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning. Shift. That might as well get her out. It's like every single joint hurts. I don't know why, but I go through bouts of that. I did talk to my daughter, like for almost 2 years. Really amazing. Yeah, but as she informed me, she's not 24, guys. She's 27. I don't know my daughter's age. So that would mean that she might be 7 years old and not 6. But isn't it a beautiful, beautiful day? It's way windy again, and I hope you can hear me. I just wanted to share that with you. Hair surfing, I guess. You're new to my channel? That's Chloe. Hi, Chloe. You guys say hi? I'm the shadow. I'm Loretta. Hi. And we go on adventures. We love the beach. Even though I'm in pain today, we go on hikes. Love to find waterfalls. She really wants to go play with that St. Bernard. Oh my goodness. And I love to cook. We live on a horse farm now, and I like to share those experiences with you. I made this channel. It's like a living diary to overcome challenges and hard times and health issues, bad breakups, whatever the case may be, depression, anxiety. I think my sarcoidosis is actually flaring up, because when it flared up the last time, my joints hurt like this, and I hope not. But I'm dealing with it. I go to UCSF in August, so we'll find out. But we live in the Redwoods, and we're at Little River State Beach, which is like a big beach. And we could go to other beaches, but I really like this one because it's open, it's long, she can run and be off the leash. And for the most part, it's safe here. Yeah, so let me know where everybody is. I did make a video of how I make my BLT tacos, and I'll catch up on my comments. I'm sorry I'm slacking on that a little bit. I've just been really tired. And I also grilled some chicken during that video, and I didn't complete the chicken portion of the meal I was going to use it. I just wrapped it up in foil once it was done and took it home, put it in the fridge. I'm actually going to turn it into chicken enchiladas. That'll be in another video. With that said, I love you all. I appreciate you all, and thank you for your support and commenting and keeping it positive. Thank you for subscribing. Yeah, let me know where everybody is from and what you did over the weekend. I'm gonna let her run a little bit.